friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. In previous class we discussed about the Grep command. So now in this class we are going to discuss about other filters. The different types of filters are, one is COMM, so compare, DIFF, so difference, head command to display first few lines of a file, so type to display the last few lines of a file, NL, number line, you are going to display number line, so that means lines with numbers. So cut, you are going to extract the fields or columns from a file. So paste, you are going to paste some lines in another file. Sort the lines based on alphabetical order or numbers. So TR command is used to translate or delete. So T command is a bi-directional command. It takes the input and it displays the output in standard output and onto the files. That's why we are called as a bi-directional. So first we are seeing the command COMM. So compare. The COMM command compare two sorted files line by line and write to standard output the lines that are common and the lines that are unique. So what is the purpose of the COMM command? If you are giving two files, it is going to be compare and displays the lines unique to file 1, unique to file 2 and common to both the files. Here we are going to give the input as a sorted files. That means already the lines in the files are in sorted order. So the syntax is COMM is a command name, options, these are the optionals. So after that we can give the file 1 and file 2. So these two files we are going to compare. Example, so this is the class 1 file, this is the file name and this is the class 2 file. In class 1, so these are the lines apple, banana, orange, and similarly in class 2 the lines are apple, kiwi. Now the COMM command, the compare command, compare these two files. If you observe that the lines is in alphabetical order, that means already these lines are in sorted. Okay, so now we can write COMM. What's the first file name? Class 1 and second file name is class 2. Now it displays the lines common to both the files. So what is the common? Apple is the common. Okay, and banana, orange is unique to class 1 file and kiwi is common to class 2. So it displays like this. The apple, so this is common to both the files and the banana is unique to file 1 and kiwi is unique to file 2 and orange is unique to file 1. That means in first column it represents all the unique lines related to file 1. In column 2 it displays all the lines unique to file 2. In column 3 it displays all the lines common to both the files. So next one, DIFF command. DIFF command. So DIFF means difference. This command is used to display the differences in the files by comparing the files line by line. It tells us which lines in one file is to be changed to make two files identical. So identical means same files. So what is the purpose of the DIFF command? It displays the differences to make the file 1 as file 2. So let us assume, so this is the file 1 a.txt. So this is the b.txt. If you apply DIFF command on these files, now it displays some messages. So these messages conveys us how you can make this a.txt as b.txt. Okay, we discussed that. The syntax is DIFF. So options, you are going to give the file names. Okay, example, DIFF a.txt, b.txt. What is the content in the a.txt? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir. B.txt, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Andhra, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Now it displays some messages. These are the messages. Okay, these are the messages. Now it has some special symbols. The first symbol than symbol. That means from file 1. There are two files, one is a.txt, another one b.txt. Less than symbol means from file 1. Similarly, greater than symbol represents from file 2. Okay, so A means add, C means change, D means delete, less than means from file 1, greater than means from file 2. Now diff a.txt, b.txt, it displays some message. So what it means? What is the first line? 0, A, 1. 0, A, 1. What is the meaning of A? Add. What is the meaning of 0? That means here these are belongs to the file 1. So these numbers belongs to the file 2. 0 means starting. Starting of the file 1, you are going to add first line in the file 2. So what is the first line? Tamil Nadu. That you are going to add here. Tamil Nadu. Okay. So what is in the second file line? Tamil Nadu. So greater than means from file 2. Okay. The next change is 2, 3, C, 3. So what it means? C means change. C means change. So 2, 3 belongs to file 1. 3 belongs to file 2. That means change 2, 3 lines in file 1 with third line in file 2. So what are the 2, 3 lines? Uttar Pradesh and Kolkata. These dashes differentiate the file 1 and file 2. And third line means Andhra. Now these second and third lines are changed with Andhra. Okay. The next one, 5C5. 5C5. C means change. This file belongs to file 2. This file belongs to file 1. What is the fifth line in the file 1? Jammu and Kashmir. This changed with Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So now you see that the file 1, the a.txt and b.txt is identical. What is the first line? Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Second line Gujarat, Gujarat. Third line Andhra, Andhra. Fourth line Bihar, Bihar. Fifth line Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So that is the purpose of diff command. So next command is head command. It prints top n lines. The name implies it prints top n lines. The syntax is head, options, file name. So let us assume there is a file states.txt. In this file there are 29 lines, all the state names. Okay. So these are the different options. -n means lines, -c means bytes, -q means quite, -v means verbose. Okay. So this is the example states.txt. We can see exact output when we are executing these commands. So head states.txt. It prints first 10 lines. By default, first 10 lines. If you are not specifying anything means it displays first 10 lines default. If I use -n, so what is the purpose of n? Lines. That means you can specify some specific numbers. Head -f 15. So now it displays the first 15 lines. And similarly head -c. So -c means bytes. Now I want to display the first 100 bytes. Then it displays first 100 bytes, not lines. So next head -q state.txt, abc.txt. Now it displays the first 10 lines in state.txt file and abc.txt file. Now -q means quite. It does not display the file names. Head -v states.txt, abc.txt. Now it displays the first 10 lines and so before that it prints the file name. So before printing the 10 lines, it prints the file name. So after that it prints second file name and prints next 10 lines. Okay. So next tail command. So tail command means the name implies it print last n lines. It prints last n lines. The syntax is tail, options, file name. The same options we are using in head command. So -n, -c, -q, -v. Okay. So by default, if you give tail states.txt, then it prints the last 10 lines. Last 10 lines by default. If I use -n 15, then it prints the last 15 lines. If I use tail-c, then it displays last 100 bytes. So 100 bytes from last. So same. So tail-q means quite. You can give to more than one file name. Now it displays last 10 lines in state.txt, last 10 lines in abc.txt. And similarly, tail-v states.txt, abc.txt means it prints with file names. Okay. Next command is nl. So nl command is used to give line numbers to the each line in the file. The syntax is nl options. You are going to give the file name. Example, nl states.txt. This states.txt contain 29 lines. Now each line is displayed with line number, the line. Okay. Next command is cut command. Required fields or columns extracted from file. So it is split filter. The cut is a split filter. Syntax cut options. You are going to give the files. Okay. So this is the sample1 file. This the file name is sample1. The content is the first line ABCD, second line PQRS, third line WXYZ. So what is the purpose of the cut command? It can extract the columns. So this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Cut -c 1, 2, 3. Columns 1, 2, 3. That means it prints A, B, C, P, Q, R, W, X, Y. Okay. So cut -c 1, 2, 3. Sample1. The file name is sample1. Okay. Next, paste command. So paste command is used to merge the lines of files. It merges the lines of a files. It is merging filter. Cut is a split filter. Paste is a merging filter. Let us assume this is the sample1, this is the sample2. In this ABCD, PQRS, WXYZ. In sample2, A, so 4 B's, 4 C's. I want to merge these two. The syntax is, so paste, what's the file 1? Sample1, sample2. Now it merge these two files. In first column it displays the lines in file 1. In second column it displays the lines in file 2. If you go another file, abc.txt for example, then the lines in the abc.txt are displayed in third column. Okay. The next one, sort command. So sort command is used to sort lines of text files. It is a sorting filter. Syntax sort options. You are going to give files. Okay. So this is the names file. For example, assume that. So these are the names in this file. So Ravi, Anand, Kumar, Nandini, Sai. So example, sort names. Now it displays as per alphabetical order. That means Anand, Kumar, Nandini, Ravi and Sai. So this is the output. Sorted output. Sort -o S names. Now the sorted names are stored in a file S names. That means you can save the output in one file. So by using -o option. Sort -r names. That means reverse. So this is the ascending order. Now descending order. First one is Sai, then Ravi, Nandini, and Kumar, and Anand. So this is the output if you are using -r. That means reverse to the sort. Sort -n means numerical sort. So let us assume this is the file 1, this is the content. Now sort -l file 1. Now it displays so 58, 100, 111, 222 and 999. So sort it. So sort -nr file 1. That means reverse. So first it displays 999, 222, 111, 100 and 58. Okay. So sort -k. So that means you can sort based on the column number. So for example, this is the Ravi 999, 111, 5800. This is the file name. In names file, so this is the lines. Ravi 999, Anand 111, Kumar 222, Nandini 58, Sai 100. Now I want to sort the data. So based on the column 2. This is the column 2. Then I can give -k. What's the column number? 2n. Second column, and you can give the names. Now it displays. So Nandini 58. So after that Sai 100. So after that Anand, so 111, and Kumar 222, Ravi 999. We can see exact output when we are execute these commands. Next command is tr command. It is used to translate or delete characters. It is translation filter. Syntax tr, options, sets. So let us assume this is the file 1. The name of the file is file 1. The content is BBA. So now I want to translate all the A's with capital A. How I can write tr in single quotation small a and single quotation capital A. Now all the small A's are replaced with capital A's, and say input redirection operator. So what is the input here I am giving? File 1. That means so file 1 is given as input to the command tr. So now what is the output? All the small A's are displayed as a capital A. Okay. So now -d. -d means so tr -d means delete the characters. I want to delete small a. The input file is file 1. Now it deletes all characters. A characters are deleted. That means it displays B. That's all. So 3 B's. Okay. So now T command. So T is a bidirectional filter. So why bidirectional means? It is used to read from standard input and write to standard output on files. That means it is bidirectional filter. Why? It displays on monitor. Along with that, it stores the data in files. Syntax. So T, options, files. Let us assume. So this is the file 1. The content is ABCD PQRS WXYZ. So now, so WC-L file 1. So what it prints? It prints 3, and the file name is file 1. Okay. So now I pipe this output to command T. So now this T command displays the content on standard output and store the data and store the content in file 2. So this is the bidirectional. So this is the bidirectional. If you press, give the command cat file 2, then also it displays 3 file 1.
So now we see the execution of compare command. So for that, first we see two files. One is class 1 file, another one is class 2 file. Now we can compare these two files, class 1, class 2. Okay, in first column it displays lines unique to class 1 file. In second column it displays lines unique to file 2. In third column it displays lines common in both the files, class 1 and class 2. Next we see diff command, difference. So for that we are going to take two files. One is a.txt, another one is b.txt. Now we can apply the command diff on a.txt, b.txt. Okay, now display some message. So A0A1. 0A1 means you can add first line in file 2 to starting of file 1. That is, Tamil Nadu is going to add as first line in file 1. So now we can see head command. So for that we take one file states.txt. This is the states.txt. So contains all the 29 states. Now head states.txt. To display first 10 lines. Head the -n 15 states.txt. It displays first 15 lines. Head the -c 100 states.txt. It displays only first 100 bytes. So if you observe that up to Jammu. Okay. So next we are going to display For example, we can see there is a file sample. Yes. Now I want to display head state.txt and sample. These are the two files. Okay. The first one is state.tsp displayed with file name. If you observe the sample. Now if I am using head -q states.txt space sample. Now it displays all the lines. It does not display the name. Head -v states.txt sample. Now it displays with names, file names. Okay. So similarly, tile also we can see tile states.txt. Last 10 lines. Tile the -n 15 states.txt displays last 15 lines. Tile the -c 100 states.txt it displays last 100 bytes. Similarly, tile -q states.txt sample. Okay, it displays all the lines without name. So tile -v states.txt and sample. Now it displays with file names. Okay, that's it. So next we see the nl command. Nl means it gives line numbers. Nl states.txt. It displays with line number. Okay, the next command is cut command. For that we are going to take two files. One is sample1. In this we are going to store abcd, pqrs, wxyz. Take another file sample2. In this we are going to store 4a's, 4b's and 4c's. That's it. Okay. Now we are going to apply cut command. Cut -c 1, 2, 3 and sample 1. Okay, displays only first 3 columns. Next we see paste. So paste is for merge filter. Paste command is used as merge filter. So paste, I want to merge sample1, sample2. Okay, it displays all the lines in sample1 in first column, all the lines in sample2 in second column. And similarly we can see sort command, cat names. Yes, these are the names available in names file. Now I can sort names. Display sorted. It displayed in sorted order. Now I can use sort -r names reverse. And similarly sort -o s names name. Now these names are stored in s name. If you see cat s name, it displays the content in s name. Create one file, file1. In this I am going to store numbers 999, 111, 222, 58, 100. Okay, now we are going to sort. Sort -n file1. Sort -nr file1. Okay, so it displays in reverse order. You can sort based on the column also. So cat sample. In these 3 fields. Now I want to sort. So based on third field 600, 200, 500 and 700. Sort -k. I want to sort based on third line. So third field. So I can give 3 and sample. Now 200, 500, 600, 700. Okay. So next one, so tr command. Cat file1. Now you can see tr command. Tr single quotation small a and capital A. All small a's are translated as capital A's. And the file name is file1. It displays like this. So next I want to delete a -d and I want to delete small a and the input is file1. It displays only b. So next command is t command. First we see the content in file1. We are going to use this file1 as input to t command. So wc -l file1. So what is the output? 3 file1. So now I pipe this output to T command. How? By using the T operator, T command and file2. What it means? Now the output is displayed on standard output along with the output is stored in file2. Now you can check that. So 3 file1. If you check cat file2, the same content we get.